This is a 4-hour chart, bearish engulfing patterns. Switching to the 50-minute chart, we notice a 3-touch trend line formation along with another bearish engulfing candle. And again in 5-minute chart, there is SBR's zone. This is an ideal setup for our first short entry. I use short position tool and project my risk to reward ratio and place the first short entry here, ensuring a tight stop loss above the resistance zone. It gave me almost 2% fall down of prices. I expect the market price will fall from here. Let's see what happens. I identify another opportunity for short position. This happens when the price is retest the SBR zone and confirm resistance again. I enter my second short position here and I project my reward to ratio here. After executing my trades, the patient become keys. I wait for the price to break below the support level. Watching the chart without reaching prematurely is the critical part of this plan. Here is a quick reminder of the importance of patience while trading. Sometimes waiting for the price to reach your take profit target is the hardest part, but it is essential. Let's see what happens. Thanks for staying with us after a break. Let's see what happened. Now this is our target point and which we have achieved. First short position almost 2.42% fall down, and we achieve our profit. Second short position also